Yeah, I'm expecting this gloss to be ooh la la. So you know what that means. Hey everyone, this is your girl Inga here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, just go ahead and smash that subscribe button and don't forget to like and turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified when I upload a video. So let's get into this. So here I have here for you guys, this is 4 ounces of the Versagel, and I added the 5 grams of citrine, the citrine wax. It should be the clear wax, but I'm a bit confused. I think they sent me the wrong color, but it's usually the clear citrine wax from TKB. So here you have it. And I'm just gonna put this into the bowl like so, and then we're gonna go on our heat plate and melt this off. And if you want to see an in-depth video of how I melted it with the heat plate, I'll have the link listed above, and then you can go ahead and watch that video. But this is 4 ounces of it right here, and this is the 5 grams of citrine wax. Okay, so if you want to do 8 ounce, all you do is double it, add another 4 ounce, and add another 5 grams of the citrine wax. As you can see, I have on extra gloves because this is extremely sticky. So it's looking like this. And if I need to add any more, I'll just go ahead and do that. So it looks like we need some more because I want it a little bit more thicker than this. And I'm also going to be adding some of the carrier oils, like the grapeseed, the fractionated coconut oil. I'm going to be adding some of the vitamin E in there also, just a tad bit. I'm not going to be adding much oils because the citrine wax has it a bit hydrated already. So this is what this mixture is looking like. I'm going to add a little bit more of the polylutein to this mixture. Please notice that I didn't add any of the polylutein during the citrine wax and the Versagel melt because of the failed gloss that I did in one of my demonstrations with the citrine wax and the polylutein. It didn't come out well, so I just decided to do it like so, and this is how it came out. I think this is the correct way in doing that. So there's always trial and error. So yeah, so there you have it. Nice fluff. I'm just gonna thicken it a little bit more. So I went ahead and added a bit more of the polylutein, and it's a bit stiffer. This is exactly what I am looking for. So I'm just gonna add like tad bits of the carryols inside here. So don't mind my little forky right here. I bought this especially for this. I think this gives me a better grip. It works well. So this is what I have to get for this. It's strong and sturdy. So I already added some vitamin E. So this is the grapeseed, and this is the fractionated coconut oil. So we're just adding a little bit of those. You know, I just love the grapeseed oil. It's perfect for your lip gloss mixture. I'm going to be adding a little bit of flavoring to this also, but I don't know what I'll be adding as yet. I'm thinking about a little peppermint oil, something to have it cool on the lips. Yeah. So let's do a little bit of fractionated coconut oil. And that'll be that. Stir it around. Yeah. I love a nice fluffy consistency. I'm going to be adding some mica to this. I'm going to Be making this a more pinkish color with some holographic, maybe glitter or some Noble Sparks. Yeah, I'm expecting this gloss to be ooh la la. So you know what that means. So we're gonna go in with some white mica right now. See that I used this mica. You can go back. I think it's ivory lace thing that I use as a base mica to get me that white. I use the ivory lace. I'm gonna put in a tad bit of a lip liquid burgundy. 1, 2, okay. And I'm going to add some of this pink mica. Now, I'm not certain about the name of this, so I'll have it listed, I guess, in the description box, or you will see it running below across the screen. I added some of the highlight. I'm not sure if it's the orange or I think it's the highlight orange. And this is what it's giving now. Really nice pink color, pearlescent, and we're not done yet. So this is what we have so far. Creamy mixture. Cannot even see through it because it's very pigmented. So as you can see here, I've added some of the holographic lip glitter and some Noble Sparks. So we're gonna just mix this in. So this is very fine lip glitter, so it's like hardly seen on your lips, so you'll just see the little sparks, and so I added a bit of it. Now this is what I'm talking about. The last two collections that I did really reminds me of the Fenty, I think it's Heat, that collection, the Fenty Heat. If that's not it, I'll put the correct name across the screen. And this is pretty awesome. So you will see this, or you will find this on my Etsy shop. Links will be in the description box below. I just wanted you guys to see how pigmented it is. I'm rubbing it, and there you have it. Very pigmented. And then I'll do a lip swatch. Right now I'm going to be lining my lips with the Chestnut Lip Liner Pencil by MAC, and I'm just going to be doing a little swatch on the lips with this amazing gloss. So trust me, the camera is not doing it any justice. This is so pigmented. It's like a light pink frosty color, and it has little speckles of lip glitter glittering through it, you know, those noble spots, and some holographic. And at the end I just applied like a clear gloss over it if you want to like tone it down a bit. Yeah, like I said, the camera's not doing it justice at all, but here it is at the end with the gloss over it, and I love it. It's absolutely amazing and gorgeous on me, and it will be on you too. So shop this at my Etsy, and I will see you guys in my next video.